The mysterious head tilt. Have you ever noticed your doggo tilting their head when you speak to them in a certain tone or say a certain word? It looks super cute, but why do they do it? Some experts think the head tilt helps dogs hear better. By tilting their head, they might be trying to pick up specific sounds or words they recognize. Eating grass. Many dogs seem to enjoy munching on grass, and it's not because they want to become vegetarians. Some people think dogs eat grass to make themselves throw up if they're feeling sick, but actually most dogs that eat grass don't throw up at all. The real reason isn't completely clear, but it might be because the grass has some nutrients or fiber that the dog wants. If your dog eats a lot of grass and then seems sick, you should talk to your vet to make sure it's not something more serious. Spinning before lying down. You might have seen your dog spin around a few times before settling down to take a nap. It's not just your dog being picky about where to lie down. There's a good reason for it. A long time ago, dogs in the wild had to flatten tall grass or brush to make a comfy spot for sleeping. Spinning around helped them achieve this. It also helped them figure out which way the wind was blowing so they could smell any approaching predators. So when your dog spins, it's sort of like they're going back to their ancient roots. Chasing their own tails. Some dogs seem really fascinated by their tails. They chase it around like it's the most interesting thing in the world. It looks funny to us, but it could be a sign of different things. Sometimes dogs chase their tails out of boredom or because they have too much energy. In some cases, it might be a sign of a medical issue like fleas or even an issue with their anal glands. So if your dog can't stop chasing its tail, it might be a good idea to check with your vet. Sniffing other dogs' butts. Yeah, this one seems really weird and maybe even a little gross. But for dogs, sniffing another dog's butt is like reading their profile or ID card. The glands around a dog's butt give off scents that tell another dog a lot about them, like their diet, mood, and even their gender. It's a quick way for dogs to get to know each other. So the next time you see dogs sniffing each other's butts, know that they're just exchanging information. Scratching the ground after pooping. Ever notice how some dogs scratch at the ground with their back legs after they poop? It's not because they're trying to bury it like a cat. Dogs have glands in their paws that release a scent. When they scratch the ground, they're leaving a sort of message that marks their territory. It's like they're saying, "I was here," to other dogs that might pass by later. Sudden zoomies. Sometimes dogs just go nuts, running around like crazy for a few minutes. This burst of energy is often called the zoomies. It's weird, but usually harmless. It's a way for dogs to get rid of extra energy. Think about it like when you suddenly feel like dancing when you hear your favorite song. The zoomies usually don't last long, and they're a sign that your dog is feeling really happy or excited. For more such videos, subscribe to Dog Sprout. Hasta la vista!